Elak palaipu ana subscribers noman moilanda hadoba channel hayanga hadoba ala video kaya puna ya bu chadam nang. Elak pa mana chaya elak jinese Kahtoknyu Ngaolan ya epenang. Tuensang mangopo Saujang College students lan 12 October 2023 ni mewang ngopo phase 1 ij9 men menyi ni anyak oyang ane play cards lan chonyang. Tuensang TC office me ij9 ngopo idam nang. Students lan yubua college principal deploy na meng lakchine teaching staff lan wang ngau lakchine college pass phalak chine ana science laboratory upgrade na meng lakchine yubu ngoyangki chang students conference presidency pongso chang Nagaland post ibua mani union kai deputy commissioner hayang secretary higher education analati sado lan bai video conference meeting ngobu iyangki Haboi meeting me imana yubu phalak chine yemong bu chingne October 18 ni mawang phase 2 ij9 ngolak se ipu Ngaolan chadam nang. Ngoiglak 43 the P Assembly constituency by election me contest na menglak candidates lan hakangonang sa inang Sri Wanglema NPF me resign na mengyang ngoiglak by election me Congress ticket ya yang contest na menglak sa inang. Mani Nagaland British Congress Committee ane party president Supong Maran Chamir lane Sri Wanglem the party official candidate menglak china recommendation payangki hadawa mani Congress Bhavan Kohima me function ngawanda payangki se ena jayi kho me NDBB lane o tenye hatnye ni me by election NDBB candidate the party official ticket phalak hadawa NDBB headquarter Chumuki dima ngolak se ena 43 the P Assembly constituency mebu NDBB unit presidents lan ane party kadalane Sri Wangpang Konyak NDBB candidate na yonglak chingna mongaya bu ane support na myang bu Ngaolan laibulan de chadam na Nagaland Board of School Education NPSE kaya class 8 ane class 9 phase 2 final examination 2023 30 November 2023 ma wanga ngolak sa inang class 8 phase 2 examination routine hakangonang NPSC fang mangopu school lan khong kim bude pha ngopu routine ane hipak khaksua chonlak chine ibu Ngaolan chadam nang class 9 phase 2 final examination routine no hakangonang private schools lan ane government schools lan NPSC fang mangopu lane routine ane timing khaksu follow linglak chine ibu anyane class 8 ane class 9 students lan chine hakajadam nang Yong ya yang lakpane United Nations Relief and Work Agency for Palestine Refugees Philippi Lazarinia ipua Gaza chingnyua malak ya pande painang se inang yang lak yenang halak ha yenang ane electricity yenang be kada de subsi yenang bu Gaza chingnyuma ngiyong nang se Philippi kaya Kahtoknyu de iyangki Leibulan anglak chingne body bags nohoi sodaya ana fuel lan petrol kerosene diesel hadolan khong gimpu yenang be sausia ngobu Ngaolan chanang lakes and lakes kadalan school building ki bu me shelter ya yang ngonang se inang tesin bu kadalan de phalak chingne haying yenang yang lak yenang muli dawa yenang ane tesin bu kada chingne toilet cha haini mai ngobu sausi Ngaolan Palestine refugees chingna ngobu UN agency Philippi kaya ibu Ngaolan molanda chadam nang sa won hewang bu Ngaolan haga chadam nang Nagaland athletics khonglan senior open athletics championship 2023 16 and 17 November Indira Gandhi Stadium Kohima me ngolak se inang tawkai hadoba championship me om hu pulande om lak chine nan phang Ngaolan chadam nang hadoma okpulana athletics federation of India me won lak ngonang Wolak Kemsa hakengonang long jump 100 meter, high jump 200 meter, triple jump 400 meter, shot put 800 meter, discus 1500 meter, ane javelin 5000 meter ngonang. Hadawa soko ane natalan moini chingna ngolak se inang taukai Konyak chilalan hadau me participate ne meng hupulane online registration 6 November 2023 ni dengoya ngin rupees 100 per event phayang registration link oklak se inang hayang maye apong tau hupulane screen me haubu mobile number landa call yang ngau oklak se ibu Ngaolan molande charanang tenibu Kahtoknyu Ngaolan halan me sonang laibu molande menyong panang